How to change Google Chrome language back to English on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device. As you launch the Chrome browser, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Now select on Settings, and as you select on Settings, scroll down. Here tap on Languages. Simply tap on Chrome language at the top. And as you do that, now you can simply select on English. So as you do that, you can now just go back, refresh the page. So let's select over here and we can just refresh the page, go back. You can just toggle off the Chrome and then launch the Chrome browser again. And as you do that, you'll be able to see that you have changed your Google Chrome language back to English on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.